all teacher. I'm from Brilliant International Private School. My name is Bisuzadhakal and I'm KG2E. I'm 5 years old. And this is the coronavirus that I crafted in KG1. Miss Lady told me all the crafting how to make. And now I'm in KG2. And I really, because of the COVID-19, I really miss my school. I miss my friend. I miss my teacher. I miss the playground. It's COVID-19. I can't go to school. Only 10 people are allowed in the classroom. And that's right. And I miss my old teacher. And I miss the classroom. I also miss the playground that I used to have fun. I miss the classroom very much. And the good thing is I'm with my family, protected safely in my home. And I'm surviving well. And I'm eating healthy food. And the bad thing is I can't go meet my family, my grandmother, my grandfather, my brother as well. He's in a different country. And some people are sick because the COVID-19 is spreading. The COVID-19 came from China. That is correct. And this is the coronavirus that I made in KG1. And Miss Lisa told me how to make this craft, all kind of crafting. In KG2, writings and reading, just I couldn't do those things. I couldn't be in the online. Sometimes online don't work good, and we can't. In the class, it can't be 11 people. It can only be 10. That's why. And this is the crafting that I made in KG1. Just to remind you, that's why I said 3 times. And bye-bye, dear teacher. Because of the COVID-19, we need to wear masks before we go outside. Masks, gloves, and we also need to get safety before we go outside. We need to wear gloves, we need to wear masks. And when we come from outside to our home, we need to wash our hands properly with soap. And also, when we are about to eat, we need to wash our hands with soap properly. And how we can make our body clean and stay safe is we need to shower our head, shower our body. And we can get clean by showering. And we also need to wash our leg when we come from outside. And I wish really COVID-19 could go because I miss my school, I miss my friends. I guess it will go one day, and everyone will be able to go to school, and then we can go every day because COVID-19 is not there. And yes, and bye-bye.